This is the lesson 5.5 mini lesson. So our learning target is today I'm going to teach you how to convert a rational number to a decimal using long division. Your solution will be either a terminating or a repeating decimal. So we're going to look at this graphic organizer. We're going to fill this in. So first of all, the definition of terminating, they are decimals that have a finite number of digits, which what that's telling you is the decimal will end. So for example, 1/4. If I were to take 1/4 and divide that, it's 1 divided by 4, add my decimal point and some zeros, bring my decimal straight up. 4 does not go into 1. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. I subtract, I get 2. I bring down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times, and it ends. I don't end up with a remainder. So this is an example of a terminating decimal. So what non-terminating means, these are the decimals that continue without end. So if they don't terminate, they don't end. So when that happens, I can have two different situations. I can have repeating. These will be decimals in which a digit, meaning just one, or a group of digits repeat or repeats without end. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example there. If you divide 1 by 3, you keep getting 0.33333. It just keeps going. It's never going to end. So the way we write repeating decimals is we put a bar above the segment that repeats. If we take 7 divided by 22, when you look at that in your calculator, when you divide that out, you're going to get actually 0.318181818, and it keeps going. So I can't put a bar above the whole thing because the whole thing doesn't repeat. It's just the 1 and the 8 that repeats. So that's how I would write that decimal. Now, non-repeating means it neither terminates, so it doesn't end, nor repeats. And the best example of that is pi, which is an approximation of 3.14, but that's why I can't put equals. Pi is one of those numbers that it does not repeat, but it also does not end. So it is non-repeating, but it also does not terminate. So it goes on forever, but you will never see it repeat.